After that, when the US chapter was over and they were fearing PF's retribution, in utter desperation, the IF resorted to a highly escalatory, very irresponsible surface-to-surface and long-range vector application. You can see this is Suratgarh and this is our base Rafiki. This is our eastern border, and you can see the BrahMos, high-speed BrahMos traveling almost at 3,000 kilometers per hour, who are going over there and coming, numerous, one after another. And now they were being attacked with PF's soft kill. We were inducing the errors into them, into the GPSs, which increased their CEP. The probability of missing their target increases. And hard kill was also achieved. Here you see one of the US has gone, if by the end of the slide you will see one of the US has overshot the target and gone ahead. This is the radar picture. You can see that they are going, this BrahMos will miss the target and will go ahead and fall in some